Everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to zoom in Filmora. So what you'll have to do is simply add your video to your timeline, and then you'll have to simply click on this one here, the crop tool, and then here you have to select pan and zoom. And as you can see, you have a start and an end. So it's gonna start like this, and then it's gonna end right here. So like this. Now let's apply this effect and let's take a look. So as you can see, it starts like this and it goes like this. Now if you want, you can change the end position, so you'll have to simply click on it like this and you can change the end position. Let's say you want to zoom in a corner, so you'll have to make sure start is like this and then the end position is in the corner, so where you want the zoom in animation to end. Then simply click on apply, and as you can see, it should be very easily to do. So if you want to make it faster, you just have to make the video shorter. And basically that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.